Hello and welcome to Ness Macramé Studio. My name is Inez. I'm a fiber art mentor and the creator of the brand Ness Macramé Studio. Today I'm happy to share a very special project with you, my wedding and boho macramé chandelier. This piece is not just about knots and cords, it's about an idea, a feeling, and a space filled with light, rhythm, and calm. I designed this chandelier with boho interiors, weddings, and romantic spaces in mind. Places where handmade details truly transform the atmosphere. From the very beginning, I carefully planned its proportions, structure, and ornament. So the design feels airy, balanced, and elegant, while still remaining practical and approachable. What I love most about this chandelier is that it looks complex and impressive, yet thanks to a well-thought-out structure, it's actually easy to create when you follow the tutorial step by step. The process is calm, meditative, and deeply satisfying. Every knot has its purpose, and every element works together in harmony. I've prepared a full video tutorial where I guide you through the entire process, from planning and cord preparation to the final decorative details. You can find the tutorial link in the video description and in the first comment. If you enjoy my work and would like to support my creative journey, you can join me on Patreon. You can see the QR code to my Patreon page right here on the screen. Many of my tutorials are occasionally available for free for my Patreon supporters, along with behind-the-scenes content, tips, and early access to new designs. Thank you for being here and for appreciating handmade design and slow creativity. If this video inspires you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new designs, tutorials, and creative ideas. Welcome to the world of Ness Macramé Studio.